Okay, question 5 for 3 marks. Now in the exam they will always throw in something slightly unusual and you're supposed to use a bit of logic to work it out. If you don't stress and you don't panic, these questions are fine. Highlight keywords as well as we go along. This shape is made by cutting out an equilateral triangle from a square, this shape here. So straight away, as this was a square, I know this must be 5.2. Make sure you draw that in because this is going to help you immensely. Now think about this, an equilateral triangle is cut here. That means that this side here, and this side, for it to be equilateral must be the same. Now you know this is 5.2, so therefore you know this must be 5.2 and this must be 5.2. This is the key to this question. Okay, if you don't read it carefully and don't fill in what you know, you have no hope. But if you do, it's very easy. Look, this is a square, so that's 5.2, that's 5.2, that's 5.2, and that's 5.2. If you cut out an equilateral triangle, then the base, since it's 5.2, the other sides being equilateral must also be 5.2. So therefore, the perimeter of this shape here, for example, is 5.2 multiplied by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? So that's how you do that. Now what's the perimeter of this shape here? Well, we know everything is 5.2. So we've got 1 5.2, 2 5.2, 3 5.2, 4 5.2, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So it's simply 8 multiplied by 5.2 and therefore it's 41.6 centimeters. And you can see how straightforward that question actually is if you read the opening line. Students skip this, look at this, think of like all sorts of sine rule, cosine rule, you name it. But everything is in that first line that students tend to skip. That is all the information you need for this question, and therefore it makes the question the most simplest question going. So make sure you are reading those opening line, highlighting keywords, and then writing those facts on a diagram. Okay, and that's that.